decision to make, there's three things that I like to tell myself and ask myself. Cui bono, I say. To whose benefit? And I'm like, what would Elise do? Because I want whatever decision that I make to be like agreeable to what you would want. And Schrodinger's cat. I like to think of Schrodinger's cat. If you don't check something, you'll never know.
In 1935, Erwin Schrödinger, in an attempt to explain the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum physics, he proposed an experiment where a cat is placed in a box with a sealed vial of poison that will break open at a random time. Now, since no one knows when or if the poison has been released, until the box is opened, the cat can be thought of as both alive and dead.
I'm sorry, I don't get the point.
Well, of course you don't get it. I haven't made it yet. You have to be psychic to get it, and there's no such thing as psychic.
Sheldon, what's the point?
Just like Schrodinger's cat, your potential relationship with Leonard right now can be thought of as both good and bad. It is only by opening the box that you'll find out which it is.
So, by not creeping on your stuff, on your Instagram and your Facebook, etc., I'll never know if you're married to another guy, if you're having kids, maybe you're showing signs of missing me. I'll never know anything.